Okay, I have returned. I have made another batch of soap, and so I'm going to... Oh, this is solid in here, isn't it? That's interesting. Okay, let's see what we can do here. See if we can melt that down and get that out. This is our goop. Oh, smelly smoke, eh? So I was in there, I made another batch of soap and I put mountain laurel in it, and I did the hot process with it, or the crock pot process. Now if I can make this runny, then I can pour it out into the solid. Well, is it soap? Maybe it's soap, we'll see. You see, if you push the logs together, the heat from one log goes into the heat from the next log. So what I'm going to do is, when that's ready, I'm going to pour it all into here when it melts. Ah, this is so much fun. Nice wiring. Perhaps it's saponified. I don't know. I want to find out. If it didn't, it shouldn't be solid, should it? I mean, it was only 3 cups of fat with 6 cups of, no, 3 cups of fat and 3 cups of oil with 6 cups of green water. It's getting liquidy. Got a bulge in it anyway. This is such fun, experimenting like this. I love it. Hey, my lights aren't on in here. Oh, that's because I've got my laptop plugged in. Can't have everything. Unless I were to plug in my laptop at the end of the lights. Oh, but it ends up there, I guess. The other end is down here. Okay, let's see if this is going to melt. Starting to lean a little bit. I don't want to stir it because then I'll get my stick all messed up. It's quite liquidy. Maybe I could use a stick. Frozen in that water. Stick I could use. You better choose the other end, but boy, it's completely coagulated. Wow, maybe it was soap. We'll find out eventually, won't we? Oh, there's liquid underneath that. I don't know. Don't know what it was. Okay. Let's scrape out the pot. I don't have to worry about it melting my ice cream container because it's in the water. In the wet, in the wet. Okay, so now got a new pot. We're going to put the soap in it. Uh-oh, my soap has gotten solid. But it's supposed to be not supposed to be not supposed to be boiling, it's supposed to be low. Okay, so let's make the fire lower. What was that? Oh my gosh! There's a hole in this. Put it in here. Okay, we gotta turn the fire down. To turn the fire down, we just move the logs a little farther apart. Hopefully that will work. That's a pretty hot fire though, isn't it? Well, I could take these right off. Oops, out of the way. A little smoky there now. What do you think? Make sure it's cool enough so I just have a low fire. You know, this over here is probably cool enough right now. I'm going to get rid of this one in the middle. Okay. I'll just put those two. I'll put it on there. I'm not sure what to do now. Is that warm enough? I imagine. I don't want to burn it. It would not be good. But it is darker than it was before. What's it looking like from your vantage point? Sure makes my nose run. Let's move over here. Watch it from over here. Okay. Can't see anything now. Okay, well this is something is happening here. Getting too dark in here for you to see, I bet, isn't it? Yeah, I guess it is. I'll have to turn you off. And now let's just carry on. carry on, carry on, carry on. It's too hot, right?